everyone. This is Riyadul Hasan Mahfuz and I am going to taking a science class, general science class. And hopefully you all are okay in this corona time. And now we will just discuss about the first topic and the main elements of food. In previous video, we were just discussing about what is food, what is nutrition, and the component of foods. And as per we know, there are two types of component. One is main component, which are carbohydrate, protein, and fats. And another one is supplementary elements or components like mineral, vitamins, and water. Now we are just going to discuss about the topic main element, and today we will just discuss about the carbohydrate elements. Carbohydrate are the main foods for the human bodies or human beings. This is the main food. What we eat, the maximum part is carbohydrate, and it is formed by, this is important point, important line, that it is formed by carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Now we can say carbohydrate, which type of elements or which type of components are in carbohydrate. Then we can say that carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are the main element of carbohydrate. And sugar is one kind of carbohydrate, but sugar has no color, but it is sweet in taste. There are several types of carbohydrate in our food pyramids or food items. Now we are just going to see the plant sources of carbohydrate. There are two types of source. One is animal source, and then another one is plant source. Carbohydrates maximum source is plant related. Now we are just going to discuss about the plant source of carbohydrate. First one is starch. Then we can say that rice, wheat, maize, potato, arms, sweet potato, these are starch. That starch is one kind of plant source of carbohydrate. Okay. Then glucose. Glucose is less sweeter than sugar. This is less sweeter than sugar. And grapes, apple, carrot, dates, these are the glucose. Then sucrose. Sucrose, sugarcane, sugar, molasses, these are the great source of sucrose. Then last one is plant source is cellulose. Wood apple, mango, banana, watermelon, dry fruits. These are the source of cellulose, and this cellulose is one kind of plant source of carbohydrate. So we see that there are four types of plant sources of carbohydrate is starch, glucose, sucrose, and cellulose. And we have to remind that or understand that in which type of food we get which item of this carbohydrate. Okay, if we ask you a question that in carrot which type of carbohydrate is in, then you have to say this is one kind of glucose. Say these are the plant sources of carbohydrate. Now we are just going to say animal sources of carbohydrate. So animal sources, there are two sources. One is lactose, that's called milk sugar. That means any kind of animal's milk, like cow, meat, cow, goat, like this kind of animal milks, we get the lactose. That means any kind of animal's milk, we just get this source, lactose source of carbohydrate. Then glycogen is one kind of animal source of carbohydrates. Now we are just going to see that meat and liver of birds, that means meat and liver of birds like chicken, pigeon, this kind of birds type animals liver and meat, we just get the glycogen. So there will be a question that what is carbohydrate. You will say the carbohydrate, the main food of human being. Then it is formed by carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And there are many elements, many food items of carbohydrate. There are two types of source. One is plant source, another one is animal source. Then you have to describe these four in plant source and these two in animal source. These are the main first main component of carbohydrate, main component of food. So I think you will just now answer the question that what is the first elements of food or first component of food, that is carbohydrate, and just describe about carbohydrate. Okay, just memorize it and you can note your copy this topic, and next topic we will just meet another topic. In next class we will just meet another topic. Okay, thank you for the class, and hopefully you will just understand this matter. In next class we are just going to talking about or discussing about protein and fats. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz, and goodbye for till now. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.